Let me show you how to move, let me show you how to get that bad. You ain't never coming last. Fuck your man, you know this gon' make.
I see you haven't learned your lesson from last time.
So what if I didn't?
I told you to leave our territory, we had a deal.
So what? If you really want us gone, I guess war can start this afternoon.
Fine, don't be late.
Okie dokie. Glad you made it, Alpha.
Let's get this over with. Attack.
Let me go. Giving up, Alpha. I thought wolves were endurance hunters. What are you doing? Pack, we need to.
It's over, Schwanna. I told you to stay in your territory. Drive them out, my pack. Come on, let's go home. I'll get fresh kill.